That camshaft isn't going to move. Well, I'm going to have to try something just as an experiment. That's pretty blunt. So is that. Well, that fits on there nicely. Let's just give it a try. See, just seeing if it'll move. And it did. It moved. And it's just possible this thing is blunt enough, it's a tire iron, that it might not do any damage. I'll have to knock out the ones that I can get to. Some of them I can't. Now that one's tight. Did move. Knock them down, and if I can get the cam out of it. That one's tight. So I guess all I can do is take it apart. And if I have to get a set, then I got to get a set. I'm going to leave that one alone just for a minute. Yeah, I think that one's one I moved. I hope this doesn't do anything stupid to the cam. I'll have to check it real good. It seems to work very well because right there is where the cam lobe is riding. So I'm not really touching the cam when I hit it. And this is going under the cam. So it's almost like it's a perfect tool for this application. And it just happened to be an arm's length. Some of them are tight. Yeah. Yes, sir. No wonder the cam wouldn't turn. But I did knock them down. Some of them. Probably one or two. So let me try for the cam again. Well, it's trying to move. Yep. I can move it about that much. It's going against one of those guys in there is not overly happy. Let's see if I can find the culprit. Yeah, that one's down. Down. That one, no way to get to that one. Yeah, I guess I'm just going to have to continue to, I'm going to knock them all down as far as I can and see what we got. All right. Tight. Tight. also work. Okay, we're good. For a minute I thought I took the cam out, but apparently it's a big slob of rust or something. There. This is not a good hammer for this. Try a different hammer. No bounces. Too much of a ball at the end, and it just causes it to ricochet. Some of them are tight. Tight. All right. See what makes. Well, it made a difference. Turning the cam. Now let me see if it's any easier to get to some of the ones that the lobes were in the way. Yeah, I don't know which one it is. That's probably not a good one. That one went down. That one's tighter than Dick's hat band. Well, let's see. That one's good. That one's down. That one's tight. And that one's tight. That one feels loose. That might be all three of the fronts are tight. That one definitely tight. Which one is it hitting? That one, maybe. Yep. Huh. Looks like more than half of them I was able to move. There are some that I don't think are moving. But I think this is going to be one of those drawn out things. So, the camshaft, I can get it to turn. You know, it's stiff like everything. So, that won't be a problem getting that out. What I'm going to have to do is just worry the lifters out of the way until I can get the camshaft out. Once I get the camshaft out, the lifters are no problem at all. Man, I could get a big old fat punch and just knock them completely out, and then we're good to go. Right now, I'm trying to do it underneath the cam. You know, what little bit of lifter you can see. So, yeah. But this thing is going to need a bath. Just got to remember all the little goofy details that are with this. There's a lot of things that, you know, you'll forget. All right, guys. So until we do something, get it cleaned up and start doing something, putting it back together, you know, we'll take a look and see. But here, let me give you a little quick look at the see if I can do this. There you go. You can see how you got to go under there to get it. See, yeah, under the cam to get to them. So it's sort of a pain. You can see how much dirt's in this thing. Look at the cam gear right there. Man, it's this thing just unbelievable how much rot it had. And the bore, the bottom of the bore is the ones that, you know, that it's rusty, the very bottom. So it's not the ring travel. So even if there's a pit or two down there, that won't hurt a thing. But I have a feeling that this thing's going to hone out okay. But I am going to give it a bath in the doodad machine back there. Let me take you back there and show you what the cylinder head looks like. All right, let me get this camera out of this quick gadget here before we close all this mess up. Yeah, there we are. Pistons. That's a motor I did for a Cushman. They brought it in, it was frozen up, and I got it freed up and took it all apart, put a new set of rings in it, and that's good, ready to go. Now this is a cylinder head to, of course you can't see anything. I stuck it in my buggy because I couldn't find a tub, but there's a cylinder head in there to that engine. And I'm going to take it out shortly because it's been in for 2 days. And it's still bubbling and carrying on. I hope there's a cylinder head in there with all this rust I see up here. Shoot, there might not be anything in there but a piece of tin foil. I hope it doesn't do that, but man, you just don't know. All right, guys. So until I do something else, I'll see y'all later. Bye.